Are you planning a Singapore trip and looking for a contemporary place to stay that's comfortable and well worth your money without breaking the bank? I'm Bryan. Watch Aleth and me as we tour you around this affordable hotel, a practical yet charming and accessible property in the city, which our friendly travel agent suggested. Let's discover where it's located, how much it costs, the pros and cons of staying there, and other details. Remember to like and subscribe to the Happy Pinoy Traveler YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook to stay updated with our new travel happy videos. Ibis Styles Singapore Albert is situated on a corner, welcoming you with a playfully designed lobby that is bright and airy and flanked by multiple waiting areas. Outdoor bar stools and high tables, a lounge with comfortable seating, a communal table for those who need workspace, and a restaurant that's open until 10 p.m. Today's hotel may not be exclusive, but is chic and run by the world-renowned hotel group, Accor. This group handles 55 brands, including Mercure, Novotel, Raffles, and Sofitel. It has 172 rooms spread across 10 floors. There are 2 7-Elevens beside it and a hawker selling durian across the street. It is 3 minutes walking distance from Rocher MRT station and conveniently near Albert Hawker Center and Ruiz. Efficient front desk staff man the check-in counters. Once you hand them your passport to confirm your booking, they will issue your key cards and inform you of the hotel facilities like the fitness center and swimming pool where you can do your laps until 9 p.m. The complimentary Wi-Fi, a shuttle to Sentosa that you need to sign up beforehand, and a luggage facility where you can have your bags stored just in case you arrive early or leave late. No need to worry about extra cash on hand as we weren't asked for a security deposit when we checked in.
Hello, Happy Pinoy Travelers, and welcome back to Singapore. I'm Aleth at nandito tayo ngayon sa Ibis Styles Albert. So pagpasok sa room, nandito sa kanan, may cabinet kung saan may hangers, may safe, at may slippers. And then after that, nandito yung kettle for boiling your water, tea, coffee for the day, mga baso, tasa, at may maliit na refrigerator. Tapos sa kaliwa naman, may bathroom where you will see your sink, hot and cold running water, at may pang-filter ng tubig na pwedeng inumin. Tapos nandito may towels, nandito yung toilet, na may bidet. Tapos yan yung shower, kung saan nandiyan yung mga, kumpleto na yung pangligo mo, nandiyan na yung sabon, shampoo, conditioner. And on forward, nandito may maliit na seating area or pwedeng patungan ng maleta. Tapos sa ilalim may lagyan ng tsinela, sapatos. May good size TV, writing area, a mirror, and a big window. Tapos ayun makikita mo, may pool. Nandito pala tayo by the way sa 5th floor, and this is a double room. Kung saan makikita mo, isang double size bed na ang lambot-lambot, ang sarap-sarap higan. Alam niyo naman sa Singapore, all day long maglalakad ka. Ang ganda ng public transport system, very good for commuters. So, sama lang kayo, tapos watch our next videos around Singapore and other countries. So, travel happy!
We got a superior double room. It had amenities such as a smart TV, a small refrigerator, an electric kettle for the daily coffee and tea, a hairdryer, basic toiletries, and a hot and cold shower with eco-friendly shower gel and shampoo. There was no daily bottled water, but we found a solution in the washroom sink. It has a spout equipped with its filter for your peace of mind. Also, bring an electric adapter for your gadgets as some sockets are the 3-prong Singapore type. The room also came with breakfast buffet. It's from 7 to 10:30 in the morning at the restaurant adjacent to the lobby. The complimentary breakfast changes daily and is well stocked with Singaporean and continental choices, making it suitable for up and about tourists like us we need to jumpstart our day of walking around the Tiger City. The 3-day 2-night package includes a superior room accommodation at Ibis Styles Singapore Albert, daily buffet breakfast, airport pickup upon arrival, hotel pickup for your return flight, a half-day city tour by an English-speaking driver, a pre-departure call to brief you on your itinerary and immigration tips, and virtual assistance for the entire duration of your trip. We were able to book this with ALBRESSA Travel for 12,188 pesos per person. This is perfect for those who want to enjoy their vacation without the hassle of putting it together. Look for ALBRESSA Travel on Facebook and check out their current promo rates and other exciting destinations. You may find the link in the description. Getting to popular tourist attractions is easy, as the Rochor MRT station of the Blue Line is a short walk away. To get to Universal Studios Singapore or USS, transfer to the Purple Line at the Little India Interchange and go to Harbourfront. From there, you will go up Vivo City and ride the Sentosa Express, which will take you directly to Universal Studios Singapore. To get to Marina Bay Sands from Rochor MRT station of the Blue Line, just alight on Bayfront Station and take a short stroll to the shops of Marina Bay Sands that is connected to Gardens by the Bay, Art Science Museum, and the Spectral Light and Water Show. Ibis Styles Singapore Albert surprised us. It is truly a gem that inspires you with everything within reach. You save time, effort, and money to spend on things that matter most while still enjoy some pampering in a well-appointed hotel. Remember to like and subscribe to the Happy Pinoy Traveler YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook for other hotel tours and tips that you can use on your next vacation. We are here to help you scout for the best deals and make travel happy. Type Happy Singapore in the comment section if you want a Singapore itinerary video.